Hey guys, DJ here. The time has come for me to put my Realtor cap back on. And boy oh boy, am I doing it with a bang. Sunday, July 19th, from 1 to 3 p.m., I will be running an open house on the beautiful property that you see right in front of you. 8976 Armstrong Rd. This house, it's literally one of a kind. The whole thing was custom built. The master bedroom has a separate thermostat, so you don't have to heat the whole house. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's talk some basic numbers first. So we've got about 3,100 square feet in the property. We've got 3 beds, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths. The house was built in 1998, and it's still the original owner. The house is set up for high-speed internet and cable. It's got a wet bar. The basement was precast. There are 2 fireplaces in the property. It's on 5 acres of land, and it's right across the street from a golf course. So whenever you want to take a midday break, go shoot 9 holes, you get to walk right to the golf course because it's right across the street. Now let's check out a couple of pictures of the place so you get an idea of what it looks like on the inside. So the place is immaculate. I mean, just look at this. It really does live up to the hype. If you would like to see more, you better show up to my open house this Sunday, July 19th from 1 to 3 p.m. Or if you can't make it, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and I'll get you a private showing scheduled. 734-934-6388, davejmayer.com. See you there.